Who buys a totally wrecked luxury hybrid supercar? This crushed metal seems like a terrible mistake. Most normal mechanics would just immediately walk away. But this guy loves impossible automotive salvage challenges. This isn't just an ordinary traditional Porsche model. It features their cutting-edge electric hybrid technology. Electric motors are directly integrated into the turbos. This brilliant engineering completely eliminates annoying turbo lag. Another hidden motor lives deep inside the gearbox. Together they produce over 500 horsepower combined. Now look at this sad, crushed physical reality. The elegant rear wing somehow survived perfectly intact. It still keeps that iconic vintage Porsche silhouette. Inside reveals a completely different violent horror story. Every single expensive interior safety airbag violently deployed. Modern safety features always mean massive repair bills. This luxurious driver cabin is now totally ruined. Lifting the hood exposes terrifying front structural damage. The critical lower chassis rails are severely bent. That thick crash beam was shoved violently inwards. Fixing this twisted geometry requires extreme measurement precision. He starts by washing away the crash dirt. Then he attempts to restore basic battery power. But the car computer remains stuck in lockdown. Working on modern hybrids demands absolute extreme caution. He dives deep into the cramped rear seats. He hears a terrible mechanical grinding noise above. The expensive panoramic sunroof motor is completely jammed. Those delicate plastic guide tracks just shattered instantly. He is forced to carefully remove the glass. This broken mechanism cannot be easily patched up. Replacing this entire sunroof cassette costs a fortune. Every broken part adds to his mounting stress. He keeps washing to reveal hidden body defects. Thick cleaning foam coats the elegant wide hips. A clean car makes assessing damage much easier. Those high-tech Matrix headlights somehow survived impact. But a hidden electrical monster sleeps under there. This complex battery system was developed by Rimac. It uses a sealed design for passenger safety. You cannot just swap out individual internal cells. If the main battery died, he is ruined. He nervously checks the battered front cooling system. That bent structural tub frame is a headache. He calculates the official dealership repair price quote. Now he violently tears off the ruined bumper. Modern hybrid repairs demand advanced software coding skills. Mechanical knowledge alone cannot fix digital supercar brains. He yanks the heavy aluminum crash structure away. The dealership quoted him thousands for battery diagnostics. He must completely strip the ruined interior cabin. These heavy sports seats are notoriously difficult objects. Lifting them out requires careful brute physical strength. He dives under the steering wheel finding wires. German engineers pack electrical components incredibly tight here. Next comes the equally heavy passenger sports seat. Slowly the cramped cabin begins feeling much larger. He rips out the delicate rear interior panels. One small slip could break expensive carbon fiber. Patience is absolutely vital during this tedious teardown. The complex center console assembly is carefully disconnected. Now the bare metal floor is completely exposed. This messy wiring harness looks like absolute spaghetti. The car looks like a hollow, empty shell. Even the steering column seems terrifyingly naked now. He inspects the bare aluminum racing pedals closely. That blown passenger airbag destroyed the upper dashboard. Hidden modules block the main dashboard removal process. He returns to the complicated front trunk area. This hybrid system layout is a mechanical nightmare. He cautiously uncovers the auxiliary power battery unit. Working around electric cars is highly dangerous business. He unbolts hidden brackets buried deep inside compartments. It requires bending into incredibly awkward, painful positions. The plastic wiper cowl hides even more bolts. Porsche engineers designed this car extremely tightly packed. He gently lifts the fragile plastic cover away. The hidden heater core assembly blocks his path. He finally locates the main interior dashboard mounts. With a firm pull, the dash breaks free. Behind it hides the crucial high-voltage Pyro fuse. This tiny explosive charge saved the entire vehicle. You can clearly see the severed internal connection. A fresh replacement fuse will restore electrical life. Now he faces the tangled side curtain airbags. These single-use safety devices are incredibly expensive. He carefully drills out the deployed roof charges. The ruined headliner must be completely thrown away. This Porsche is now stripped down to basics. He considers if this massive project is worthwhile. He refuses to buy an overpriced new dashboard. Instead, he will meticulously rebuild original damage trim. This clever resourcefulness keeps salvage rebuild somewhat profitable. The overall repair cost easily exceeds 20 grand. But a resurrected hybrid GTS holds immense value. The digital software hurdles are still looming ahead. He secures the empty shell for the night. The massive dashboard assembly sits awkwardly outside now. He places it carefully on a sturdy workbench. Repairing this intricate piece takes pure artistic patience. He inspects the surviving soft red leather stitching. This ambitious resurrection journey is truly just beginning. He is breathing fresh life into dead machinery. It takes crazy dedication to rebuild modern supercars. Every cleaned surface brings it closer to reality. He organizes tiny screws to prevent reassembly nightmares. One lost titanium bolt causes days of delays. Soon this beautiful beast will conquer roads again. This project proves mechanical passion beats digital obstacles. The ultimate hybrid Porsche comeback story continues tomorrow.